In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with clipping using Whop. Now, in case you haven't heard of Whop yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you can use that link to sign up for Whop and start making money with clipping and some other features as well right away. So it's basically a great platform, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money with clipping. Now, the biggest advantage I would like to point out first is over here under the Discover tab. They have this content rewards, and what this means is actually if you're a clipper and you are clipping different content on, for example, YouTube or maybe Instagram or even like TikTok, you will get paid via an RPM. So for example, on YouTube, the RPM is usually like 10 to 20 cents if you're lucky per 1,000 views. While on TikTok, it's like up to $1, but even that is quite high, so usually it's like 30, 40, 50 cents, maybe not even that. And on here, on the Whop website, you can start making clips for different creators, but they will pay you much more. As you can see over here in the top, they're paying up to $4 per 1,000 views, and these are short-form views available to post on either Instagram, TikTok, X, and YouTube, which is amazing. Now let me show you how this works. You want to go over here to Discover, scroll down to Content Rewards, and then click on Show All. In here, you want to select Clipping here on the left, because this will show you all the different offers where you can start clipping. Now these top ones, it says how much they've paid out and how much their budget is. These top ones are mostly filled, as you can see, because the most paid out is via which it is sorted. So it's sorted by most paid out, and this is what you're now seeing. But if you scroll down, you will see there's a bunch of money still to be made. So over here, for example, with Baby No Money, with Druski, with these dudes over here, different ones, as you can see, they're not even half paid, and they have a $10,000 budget, or sometimes even more than that, and it's actually quite easy to get started. Now first, you have to know what you want to do. So if you want to go for the highest possible RPM, you can sort by RPM. So go over here, sort by highest CPM, click on that, and as you can see, they're paying up to $5 right now per 1,000 views for different companies over here. And you can see what they basically want by clicking on them. So let's say you want to go to these chart hackers. Oh, this one is a paid community, so you want to find, of course, a free one if you want that. There we go. This one, for example, it says get paid to make videos for the Autopilot app. Now this one is free for a lifetime. You can just join them and then start basically making money with clipping for them. So you can click over here. It's loading for me right now, but you're going to see a join button. You can join them and via that get access to start making money. You can also sort by newest, so sometimes there are some new opportunities popping up because all the time this is getting created. As you can see, there are 5 pages right now, and there are different programs and offers being added all the time, like consistently, day by day, hour by hour. And in here, you then just want to go, let me just show you. For example, I joined this Baby No Money one. You want to go in here. Now this one, of course, you'll see it pays, I think, 40 cents, but still, you want to go to Content Rewards here on the left. And yes, over here it says Baby Number Money Music Campaign. Submit your post for review within 1 hour of publishing to start getting paid. Now this is how much they've paid out, and how much they still can pay out, and this is how long you still have time to actually post. This requires clipping. The max payout per submission is $350, and the category is music. So the reward is 40 cents per 1,000 views on the platform, which is TikTok. Over here you can see the requirements. So if you qualify for these requirements over here, you can just press this submit button, and after you do so, you'll have to scroll down, post in your TikTok link to that very video, and then upload the media of that video, which means basically the edited video you post to TikTok, you also want to upload it in here, press submit, and then within an hour of publishing, you will be able to start getting paid for the views you generate. And this one is 40 cents per 1K views, but as I showed you earlier, there are some programs making absolute bank per 10,000 views. So if I just go out of here, let me go to Discover. There we go. Let me go to Show All over here, and then if you go to Content Rewards up here, and go to Clipping, you can also see different submissions. If I click on that, there are people up here via submissions making like 1.5K per single video, as you can see, 1.2K, 1.16K, $1,000, $750 euro, dollar, and then $600, etc. So there's a bunch of people making a lot of money over here for their views that they basically created, and they clipped different content from different people who actually asked to do so. So if you want to start this, as I said, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.